something for what it's worth. With you, heaven is a place on earth, and I will take you there.
Hi guys, it's Ivory and I'm back with a new video. Today, you guessed it right, we're doing a Valentine's Day photo shoot DIY. I don't know why my words are just all over the place, but yeah. So, like, comment, and subscribe and watch the process.
Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my hands in my shit. I should've came from losing best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, this just hurts. Trying to make some simple change. We don't want to mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, away from all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe it. But it ain't always inside. Put me in my mind, hold me on my feet.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Oh, no.
Hey guys, always remember, you could do anything you want in this world because there's always a cheaper option. So, how I planned out my photo shoot is that I downloaded Peerspace and I found an affordable option. I booked with Ensemble Media Studio for $45 an hour. Okay, I booked my specified time. You can also add on things to your bookings as well. As you can see, they have the add-on option. I was actually able to add on the light kit and also the camera. So with certain venues, they do have other options. And luckily with this option, I was able to rent a Canon camera. So I didn't have to do a photo shoot this year with my iPhone. Also, you can plan out your photo shoot. So what I did was download Pinterest and I just typed in V-Day or Valentine's Day and all these pictures will pop up. And I just gained some of my inspiration from these photos. Of course, I went over here to Shein and I just ordered me a cheap little outfit. Again, you can do anything you want in this world because there's always a cheaper option. And I love, love, love my photos and I loved how they came out. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe because there is definitely more to come. Bye.
Smelling your perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room.